Hey guys, we're going to read There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Piggy? Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ag! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. Love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. They are lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I'll try and ask it. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Peggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Have you read all of Elephant and Peggy's Funny Adventures? Today I will fly. My friend is sad. I am invited to a party. There's a bird on your head. I love my new toy. I will surprise my friend. Are you ready to play outside? Watch me throw the ball. Elephants cannot dance. Pigs make me sneeze. I am going. Can I play too? We are in a book. I broke my truck. Should I share my ice cream? Happy Pig Day. Listen to my trumpet. Let's go for a drive. A big guy took my ball. I'm a frog. My new friend self. My wings not easy. I will take a nap. I really like that. The thank you book. The end.